Empowering the Next Generation, Strategies for Universities to Develop Career-Ready Graduates Abstract. This article explores comprehensive strategies for enhancing career readiness in higher education based on the author's extensive consulting experience with universities. It argues that despite today's rapidly evolving job market demanding strong practical skills, many institutions remain overly focused on traditional academic approaches that inadequately prepare graduates for professional success. The article presents 4 evidence-based strategies for universities to better empower career-ready students, implementing robust experiential learning programs, including internships, simulations, and service learning. Cultivating career management skills through integrated curriculum modules and sustained advising. Fostering meaningful employer partnerships that benefit both students and organizations. And effectively communicating career education outcomes to drive continued institutional investment. By implementing these interconnected approaches, the article contends that universities can develop graduates who possess both the practical skills and self-awareness needed to navigate successful career transitions in an increasingly dynamic workplace environment. As a higher education consultant and researcher who has advised dozens of universities on career education initiatives, I have seen firsthand the importance of empowering students with career-ready skills. In today's rapidly changing job market, having strong soft skills and practical experience is crucial for students to successfully transition into their careers. However, many universities are still taking a traditional academic-focused approach that does not fully prepare graduates for the demands of the working world. Today we will explore 4 key strategies that universities can adopt to develop career-ready students who are empowered and poised for success. Developing career-ready graduates through experiential learning. A growing body of research has demonstrated the value of experiential learning for career preparation. As Naus and Fontenot, 2008, found in their study of business school graduates, internships and other hands-on experiences were the strongest predictors of career decision self-efficacy. Universities must look beyond the classroom and invest in robust experiential learning programs that give students real-world skills. This includes expanding internship opportunities, encouraging study abroad programs, and integrating service learning into academic curricula, Urio and Yi. 2012. At the university level, this can start with incentivizing academic departments and faculty to collaborate with career centers and employers. For example, when I consulted with a large state university, we encouraged each college to set numeric goals for internship placements that factored into annual reporting. This simple change increased internship enrollments by 35% over 2 years as departments promoted opportunities more aggressively. Universities should also look to alternative experiential models that have gained traction, such as simulated practicums. One medical school I researched designed a required primary care clinic simulation where small student teams acted as healthcare providers for virtual patients over an academic term. Evaluations found the model improved students' confidence and skills for clinical settings. Okuda et al. 2009. Simulations allow universities in different fields to replicate aspects of real-world experience at scale. When executed effectively through cross-campus collaboration, experiential learning empowers students by giving them career-applicable skills and a competitive edge in today's job market. Internships, study abroad programs, service learning, and simulated practicums should all have a place in developing career-ready graduates. Cultivating career management skills and self-awareness in addition to experience. Students need training in core career management competencies to navigate the working world. Research by the National Association of Colleges and Employers, NACE, identifies critical thinking, problem-solving, oral written communication, teamwork, collaboration, digital technology, leadership, professionalism, work ethic, and career management as key skills desired by employers. NACE. 2018. while universities often focus on developing other competencies through traditional coursework. Career management skills are too frequently overlooked. As a consultant, I have seen how integrating targeted career education modules into the general curriculum can help address this gap. For example, I worked with a large public university to introduce brief career planning and job searching lessons into its first-year experience program. Pre- and post-assessments found significant jumps in students' self-rated abilities in areas like resume writing, interview preparation, and personal branding. Day and Cruz Vergara. 2014. Universities should also adopt systems for ongoing career advising that move beyond one-off appointments. Programs like endowed faculty advisors who regularly meet with cohorts of students on career-related issues or electronic career coaching platforms that supplement in-person support can help foster long-term skill building and self-awareness. When students receive sustained career advising, they graduate with clearer career direction and strategies for ongoing professional development. NUT. 2010. By systematically incorporating foundational career management training and advising, universities empower students to take control of their career paths and thrive throughout the changing world of work. A culture of continuous growth in career competencies well serves today's graduates. Cultivating career-ready skills through connections to employers while universities must take proactive steps themselves. Strong partnerships with employers are also vital for empowering career-ready students. Through my research and experience working with hundreds of companies, it is clear that employer engagement benefits both graduates and organizations. Universities that facilitate connections between students and professionals see improved employment outcomes. Job shadowing, company information sessions, networking events, and mock interview programs expose students to workplace cultures and help them practice soft skills. Research from Michigan State University found such early exposure significantly increased students' career decision self-efficacy and choice certainty. Lent et al. 2003. Industry-led project work can also develop hard and soft skills simultaneously when integrated judiciously into academics. Employers gain too when universities foster relationships. Having a pipeline of career-ready talent is invaluable as the workforce evolves rapidly. Early engagement also allows professionals to help shape curricula and co-create experiential learning opportunities that are truly applicable. Successful programs I have witnessed match students to externship experiences during academic breaks or have industry boards advise academic departments. While seeking new employer partnerships, universities should also capitalize on existing alumni networks. Alumni ambassadors who promote internships and informational interviews or mentor matching programs can re-engage professionals in empowering current students. With proactive strategy and cross-campus cooperation between career centers, faculty, students, and industry partners, universities optimize connections crucial for career preparation and success. Communicating the value of career education to drive investment. Finally, generating robust university support for career-focused initiatives requires intentionally communicating both qualitative and quantitative outcomes. Past experience has shown me this is key to driving ongoing commitment and buy-in from leadership, faculty, students, parents, and other stakeholders. Career centers that publish results like employment rates, average starting salaries, career fair, event participation numbers, or alumni career achievement stories convey impact. For example, one private university saw a 10% 5-year alumni salary increase after positioning a career readiness redesign through compelling pre- and post-program data shared widely on its website and alumni magazine. Gordon. 2007. Qualitative assessment is also important. Surveys, focus groups, and case studies that capture qualitative shifts in students' confidence, mindsets, or specific skill gains aid understanding. For instance, a public university found video testimonials from students discussing how career coaching transformed their approach most effectively conveyed less tangible changes to faculty. Budget justification can incorporate predicted returns like increased alumni giving or tuition enrollment preservation if career services improve employment outcomes. Effective communication strategies and impact data empower university administrators to continue resourcing career education as a strategic student success initiative rather than purely extracurricular. With robust communication of both quantitative results and qualitative transformations, universities achieve greater buy-in for continuously empowering graduates. Conclusion: through proactive leadership and cross-functional collaboration, universities have immense power to develop career-ready students and empower their transition into the evolving world of work. Strategies like robust experiential learning programs, integrated career management training, strategic employer partnerships, and intentional impact communication can all play a role when tailored to individual institutional needs and strengths. Universities that invest in intentionally cultivating career-applicable skills and self-awareness will see graduates who are confident, competitive, and poised for lifelong career fulfillment and success.